years of technological exploration and deep industry engagement, the MAG3 series has been fully upgraded based on its second generation with excellent performance, great adaptability, and outstanding cost-performance ratio. It meets a wide range of production needs. In terms of appearance, the MAG3 features a redesigned look and color scheme, providing a more comfortable and intuitive user experience. Regarding the injection unit, models 450T and below now come with fully enclosed injection covers. Proportional back pressure is now standard across all models, enabling more precise plastication and higher product quality. The clamping unit has also been upgraded. All models now come standard with transverse T-slot paltens, making mold installation easier and more versatile. Equipped with a 12-inch full-color LCD aluminum control panel across the series, offering a modern and refined look while greatly enhancing the user experience. A core reverse function is also included to support special production scenarios. Today we are showcasing Haitian MA1600 with a solution for home appliance decorative panels. It features a 2-cavity mold, with each part weighing 34 grams and a cycle time of 40 seconds.